Now that we mentioned those 120 volt outlets, let's take a look at the other voltage type we utilize and also introduce the next Arvanese term, shore power, also known as house voltage. This is the 120 volt electrical system. It's similar to what we have in our homes. You can access shore power by plugging into a receptacle like at a campground pedestal. Other sources of 120 volts AC include the generator or an inverter if your RV is equipped. Your rig might have an onboard generator, or you can also implement an aftermarket portable version. These are simply mechanical devices that generate electricity. RVers use generators for going off-grid when access to utilities might not be available. An inverter is a device that can take 12-volt DC battery voltage and change it into 120 volts AC voltage. It's commonly used to operate outlets or even the refrigerator when driving down the road and not connected to a shore power receptacle. The 120 volt AC system powers the bigger ticket appliances and systems in the RV, like the air conditioner, refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, water heater electric element, the receptacles also known as outlets, electronics, the converter charger that we mentioned already, and maybe some lights in older RVs. Make a list for quick access during troubleshooting until you are familiar with what is powered by 120 volts AC. Lastly, how do you activate each of these systems? The 120 volt AC system is activated by either operating the generator or the inverter or plugging the rig into shore power using the RV power cord. The 12 volt system is on and available once the coach battery is charged. Find out more about the battery disconnect switch, generators, and inverters in the home study course.